Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
गोंयांत कोरोनान मरण येवप्यांचो आंकडो दिसपट्टो वाडत आसा. मरण येवपी चडशे जाण हे कोमॉर्बिडिटी म्हळ्यार हाय प्रेसांव, गोडेमूत आनी हेर दुयेंसां आशिल्ले कोरोना पेशंट. अशा कोरोना पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंटां खातीर जीएमसीत खासा वार्ड आरक्षीत करतले म्हूण भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन फाटल्या शुक्रारा सांगिल्लें.
145, 146, 147. All the critical, extremely critical patients that are there will not be shifted from Goa Medical College to the ESI hospital, but will be given treatment under the supervision, as the Dean has come forward to say that this will be better handled as far as Goa Medical College is concerned. Also, patients of ESI that are highly critical will be shifted to this ward of between 145, 146 and 147, so that our interventionists and everybody will monitor, and our super specialists that are monitor, so that the deaths that occur due to comorbidity is reduced. Our whole effort is to see that the comorbid situation of the patient is reduced, and we do not say that the death was due to comorbidity, but generally what doctor has well explained. But we need to act, and we need to see how best we are able to deal with the situation.
फाटल्या शुक्रारा भलायकी मंत्र्यान कोमॉर्बिडिटी कोरोना पेशंटां खातीर वाड आरक्षीत करपाची घोशणा केल्ली. मात जमिनी परिस्थिती वेगळीच. भलायकी मंत्र्याच्या घोशणेक 6 दीस जावन गेले, मात आजून जीएमसीत कोमॉर्बिडिटी कोरोना पेशंटां खातीर 145, 146 आनी 147 वार्ड सुरू जाल्लो ना. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.